Bro in the cut, he stuffing the backwood. Sipping that drink, now a young nigga feel good. Post on the T, bitch, I post in the fucking hood. Hit with a stick, cause that boy tryna meet mom. Just hit the plug, cause I need me a 30 stick. I don't wanna fuck because you was a dirty. Said you caught a body, but we never heard of it. Said he went lean and got hit with detergent.
Niggas acting in a fag, I'm really concerned. I just got me a back, take the whip and convert it. I just grab me that heat and it brown some herpes. She speaking my name like what is the purpose? She get in the bag, now she act like a perfect. I was throwing the ones, that's the hoes. You twerking his ass with that 30, I'm up on some curry shit. I look at my diamonds, they up on some blurry shit. Ayy, ayy, I put that 4 on my drink. I hop in the blunt, I spin it. Shit ain't my birthday, but I want the cake. Fuck it, I gotta watch with the bitch. I'm bustin', nigga get hit with that drink, I'm bluffing till you get shot in your face. Just call me, I gotta move out the state.
He wanted some red, but got hit with the reroll. He was talking that shit and got knocked out his reroll. He called for a pint, told bro got a wrist off. It's me, bro, and him, so you know that's about 3 blocks. I don't want the whip if that bitch not a push star. Chopper so big, hold that bitch like a guitar. Summit the devil, I feel like a rock star.